Hi, my name is Eric Brooks, brand specialist with Alpine Electronics. We're here at the 2019 CES show in Las Vegas, and we're talking about the R-Series family of products, the loudest family on the block. This year, R-Series implements CFRP, carbon fiber reinforced polymer, which gives us the capability to have a very lightweight and rigid cone, giving us great bass response. We also have CFRP in our tweeter, which makes it a very smooth transition from the woofer up to the tweeter, and it gives us the capability to have high-res certification. So now we have a full line of R-Series speakers with high-res audio. We also introduced a 6x9 component for many OEM application spots that these will fit into easily. We also have the R-Series subwoofers, which are available in 8, 10, and 12, both in 4 ohm and 2 ohm dual voice coil capabilities. All right, from there we go on to the new amplifiers. So these replace our PDR amplifiers with R-Series. These are also high-res audio. They use the Sierra technology that we talked about in our X-Series products. So we have great sound quality, great image, and very low phase shift in these amps as well. So there you have the R-Series family of products introduced at the 2019 CES show here in Las Vegas.